So here we have an iPhone 6 and it has a pin number lock, and I'll show you how you can reset it, a factory reset. And this has an iCloud lock on it, so even after resetting we cannot use it. But in your case, if it's your own phone, you'll need to sign into your Apple ID. So the way to reset this applies to any iPhone 4, 5, 5S, SE, 6, 6 Plus, 6S Plus, 6S, anything with a physical button. So what you do, hold the volume down, power, lock button together, and when the screen goes off, 1, 2, 3, let go of the lock, keep holding volume down and the home button, and while it's connected to the computer you will hear the sound. That's iTunes detecting the phone in a recovery mode. Although the screen is black, the phone is still on. You will see this message. So you will say continue, and it will say it's in recovery mode and you must restore. Click OK, and then click on Restore iPhone, restore and update, and it will give you the option to download the latest version that's available for the phone. Next, I agree. And if your computer doesn't already have the software downloaded, you will actually see a download progress, and let that finish, and your phone will automatically reboot and install the updates and reset the phone.